We just made it to Memphis Collision. We're about to go in now and kind of do like some inquiring, I guess, about the whole car thing with insurance and everything. So yeah, we'll share as much as we can share without kind of doing too much, but we're about to, you know, find out some information and things like that, as far as what her insurance company wants her to do, basically. So yeah, and then we're going to keep you all posted. I think she's going to get a rental car and everything like that today. So yeah, her head is kind of hurting. Not kind of hurting, her head is hurting. So I don't know if we're going to do that today or not. So yes, just stay tuned. We'll be taking you all with us, and I'm just trying to help my sister to record. I'm still on my YouTube break, so I'm not like active on my channel, but I'm just helping my sister out.
Can I ask you a question? So they'll call her if insurance, if there's anything that insurance is not going to pay for, how does it?
Insurance pays for anything related to the wreck. State Farm is the best.
Oh,
The best.
State Farm is the best.
If it's related to the wreck. Now, I'll go ahead and talk to both of y'all since y'all are both here for State Farm. We do not call you during the repair process just because our phones are ringing off the hook. People are walking in all day.
understood.
Yeah. But we ask that y'all call us for your updates. So if you get a text, you get an email, that's State Farm, you're well, what's in the computer? Well, they don't know if a part's been, you know, on back order, or if a part come in damaged, or if we had to, if we've ordered more. We don't know that, like, until we can't give you a definite date on the vehicle because some parts are not easily available just because of COVID.
Right.
And the supply demands, the supply chain too. So with that said, but anyway, what is the best number to reach Miss Chalmers at?
901.
They're both non-drugs. They're both.
Let me double check. I can double check.
That one's ready. I'm not done with it.
Look in the gloves on
Yeah.
Give my call.
So what's the State Farm says, the front bumper, the front end, the front lamps, the headlights, the hood, just the whole front end, basically. What happened? High-speed chase. Ooh, was y'all running from the police? It says the police were on a high-speed chase, which made traffic stop abruptly, causing you.
Yes.
So the city should be paying for this, right?
I don't know about all that.
They ain't gonna do it.
Unfortunately, we as citizens want them to catch the bad guys. Am I right? We don't want a California or Tennessee where they just let them do everything. Go get them.
Oh yeah. There's no flawless.
Hey, you want me to mark it up for you real quick?
Can't mark it the State Farm until I get pictures of the car.
Okay.
Chapter 3, I'm trying.
And I do have it uploaded.
He's just got to grab some pictures.
Yeah, just give me one sec, guys. I'll be right with you.
Okay. We can really
Okay guys, so for the update, we're currently she's getting everything set up with the rental.
Calling, I was trying
They're on
to
the phone now.
find out what do I need to do to get a rental car. Dominique Chalmers.
No. It's a brand new car.
Oh, mine.
We're gonna call y'all back.
And then 341, and then 8184.
Okay. Thank you.
If you can't get through, call me back and I can help you.
That's Miss Nick.
It's just sometimes there's a long wait time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
You ain't say bye-bye to her, see?
She talks so slow.
You supposed to say, all right, thank you, bye-bye. Getting the rental car set up. And then also, so they're gonna mark everything up like with a red marker and a green marker. The red is for, I forget. One color means the things that needs to be repaired, and then the green are the things that they're not gonna touch. I may be saying it vice versa.
Insurance is going to pay for it, and one is everything that didn't happen with the wreck.
One is for everything that the insurance will pay for, and then one color is going to be for everything that didn't happen with the wreck. I just don't remember which color is which, but we'll be able to show y'all and everything like that because it's my sister's car. So yeah.
So the damage is very obvious. We know it's the front end.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it around for a second so y'all don't see your tag number.
Guys, all this red you see, that stuff is prior. Little scratch. You got dents on your roof. Dents. You've got splits in your bumper, on your trunk. The biggest thing I want everybody, including Teresa, to be aware of. You guys are aware of the back. All the body is cracked back here.
I can't hear what he's saying now.
I've got some paint issues, and you also, this means you have a tire pressure light on. It says it's this front wheel. Pretty much I'm going to need the entire front bumper assembly. Everything on that bumper is damaged or cracked. I got a sneaking suspicion once we get it in, get it tore down, there's actually a framework in here that holds your radiator. Got a feeling it's damaged because right now I've already got the hood popped. It ain't raising. So I got a feeling my radiator support's damaged. I just can't see it yet. And obviously a headlight. So that's kind of where I'm working right now is my point of impact, but there may be a whole lot more than what I originally see because I can't even get the hood up. I just want to make sure you guys are aware of all the other stuff I found there. The State Farm may pop out for a surprise inspection. If so, they may call you and ask you about it. So I just want to make sure you guys knew it was all there. But the driver's side seat trim is broken as well.
Her battery's about to die, guys. I may have to keep going on my phone.
But this is what I'm working with. I'll get it written up, get it uploaded to State Farm. It'd probably be a day or two before I can even remotely give you a quote time frame wise because I don't know how long it's going to take me to get parts. All these are not repairable. I got to replace every bit of this.
Okay. And as far as time wise goes, you can't really go by that either because, like I said, if we can't get something.
So that's pretty much it in a nutshell.
Dominique, here's your last look at your car. They took the hood off. That's it.